Hi children, today we are going to learn to read small sentences, meaningful sentences. Now what is a sentence? We speak in words to make people understand. We say number of words together that make sense. So a sentence is a group of words put together to make someone understand something that you want to tell. Alright, let's look at what is a sentence. Let's read for ourselves and find what is a sentence. Here we are. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete sense. So you say something, put number of words together and tell someone something, ask something, read something that makes sense. A group of words that gives a complete sense. That is a sentence. Yes? Now let's look at our first picture and read the first sentence. Why do you like to read? Because reading makes you clever. Reading makes you smart. So we are going to read the sentence. When you read the complete sentence, you feel happy. What picture is this? A little girl. What is she doing? She is hugging on to a little pet. A pet dog. Look at the sentence. It begins with a capital and it ends with a full stop. Let's read. The little girl says, I love my pet dog. What did she say? I love my pet dog. So here is a group of words that tells you something that makes complete sense. Then now you understand, oh, she says, I love my pet dog. So you understand what she says. Let's look at our next picture and the sentence below it. Look, a lovely animal. What's the name of the animal? Elephant. The small animal or big? It's a big animal. Let's read. This elephant is big. Just 4 words are there and it makes complete sense. This elephant is big. So when you read, put your finger on each word. This elephant is big. Good. Let's go on to our next picture and the next sentence. What do you see here? A wall clock. What does it tell you? Time. The clock tells the time. Put your finger on every word and read. The clock tells the time. So you can look at the clock and know the time. When you read the full sentence, you feel very happy. You become clever, smart. Let's go on to our next picture and read the sentence below it. Look. There's a little boy sitting in his toy car. What is the color of the car? Red. What does he say? I bought a new car. What did the little boy say? I bought a new car. And he's very happy about it. Can you understand? What does he say? He says he bought a car. And look at the sentence. I bought a new car. Good. Let's look at another picture. And let's read the sentence below it. What is this? A ball. What's the color of the ball? Red. What do you do with the ball? You bounce the ball, you kick the ball, you roll the ball. You're very happy when you get a ball. Yes? This is a red ball. Read it again. This is a red ball. Good. So you read it correctly. Begins with the capital, ends with the full stop. Yes, this is a red ball. Let's go on to our next picture and let's read the sentence below it. What do you see here? What animal is this? A cow. What did she give you? She gives us milk. You love to drink milk? Yes. What did she say? She says, the cow gives us milk. She says, look, I'm giving you milk to keep you strong. The cow gives us milk. What does the cow give us? The cow gives us milk. So you read it well. Good. Let's take a look at another picture and read the sentence correctly. Look. What is this? Feather. Where do you find feathers on the bird? Feather. The feather is light. The feather is light. Birds have lot of feathers on its body and they are light to make them fly. So birds have long feathers, short feathers. Read the sentence for me. The feather is light. Light. Then what is heavy? The stone or anything else. But a single feather is light. Let's look at another picture and read the sentence below. Look. Who is this? Brother, sister. Yes? Brother and sister, probably. The brother is taking the little sister for a walk. Let's look at the sentence. I play with my sister. The little boy says, I play with my sister. So the brother plays with the little sister to keep her happy. Good. So you learn to read the complete sentence. I play with my sister. Let's go on to our next picture and read the sentence. What picture is this? A picture of an animal. Is it a cow? No. It's a bull. Now how does he look? Is he looking calm? No, very angry. He's looking very angry. Let's look at the sentence. The bull looks angry. What's the color of the bull? Brown. The bull looks angry. The bull looks angry. So, are you happy to see an angry bull? No. So, you learn to read the sentence correctly. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look and read the sentence below it. What do you see here? Crayon. What do you do with the crayon? You use the crayon to color. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many crayons are there? There are 8 big crayons. Let's read the sentence. There are 8 crayons. How many crayons are there? There are 8 crayons. And you love crayons, don't you? Good. Let's look at another colorful picture and read the sentence. Look. What is this? A leaf. Where do you find leaf? Leaves we find on a plant, on the tree. Leaf. This is a single leaf. What color? Green color. The leaf is green. This leaf. The leaf is green. What is the color of the leaf? Green. The leaf is green. Good. Let's look at another colorful picture and read the sentence below. Look at this lovely brown hen. What did she give us? She gives us eggs. She lays eggs for us every day. The hen gives us egg. What did she give us? Egg every day. Beautiful brown egg. The hen gives us egg. You like this hen? Lovely brown hen. She looks so lovely. She says, I give you egg. Good. The hen gives us egg. Let's look at another colorful picture and read the sentence below. Look, this little girl sitting here. Look at her lips and her eyes are filled with tears. Why? She looks very sad. Let's read the sentence. The girl is very sad. Does she look sad? Yes. Why? Probably she lost something. She lost a pet, or she can't find her toys, or mama's gone out to work. The girl looks sad. The girl is very sad. So let's keep her happy. The girl is very sad. Are you sad sometimes? Yes. Good. Let's look at another colorful picture and read the sentence below. Look. What is this? Do you love to eat this vegetable? Yummy it looks, isn't it? What is this? A vegetable. What's the name? Tomatoes. You must eat tomato. Wow, how nice it looks. Let's read the sentence. The tomato is ripe. The ripe tomato, if you eat it, very juicy, tasty. The tomato is ripe. And you must eat ripe tomato. Yes, you can make juice, you can eat it as salad. Lovely. The tomato is ripe. You like this? Good. Shall we look at another colorful picture and read the sentence? And when you read sentence, you feel very happy. What tree is this? A banana tree. And what's the color of the leaf? Green. And the banana? Nice bright yellow. Let's look at the sentence. This is a banana tree. What tree is this? This is a banana tree. Banana tree. When you read, you will put your finger on every word and say aloud clearly. This is a banana tree. Good. Let's look at another colorful picture and read the sentence below. Look. Whose house is this? The house of an Eskimo. And where do you find such houses? Wherever there is snow. And they cut pieces and build a ice house. And that's called an igloo. So this is the house of an Eskimo. And it's called an igloo. Let's read the sentence. Put your finger on every word. Eskimos live in igloo. Where do the Eskimos live? Eskimos live in igloo. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. You'll have to see this, isn't it? Why? You'll have to go on a long journey. What vehicle is this? A train. Is it a small or big? It is always big and long. It has many wagons. The train is always long, carrying hundreds of people. This is the engine and number of carriages attached to it. Let's look at the sentence and read aloud. The train is ready to go. Where would you like to go? On a trip? You like to go on a trip somewhere? Here is the train. The train is ready to go. So what do? You jump into one of the bogies and sit there looking out. You're happy sitting in the train as it moves. Yes? Let's read. The train is ready to go. Third, let's look at another picture. Look at this colorful picture. What is this? Where do you see this? It's a ship. Where did the ship go? In the big sea, big oceans. It can carry things. It can carry people. Yes. Let's read the sentence. The ship sails in the sea. Where is the ship sail? In the sea, in the big, wide sea. Put your finger and read the sentence. The ship sails in the sea. Good.